my name is Kit Irvin G. Caliboso, and I'll be demonstrating on how to lift, hold, and burping a baby. So before we start, we need to make sure that our hands are properly cleaned. So please follow the proper procedure in hand washing. After hand washing, what we are going to use is an alcohol base. So we need to make sure that our hands is very clean before handling the baby. So this is for lifting a baby. The first thing that we are going to do is the cradle hold. So when lifting the baby, we need to make sure that we provide support in its neck and body, like so. Cradle hold. The next thing that we are going to do is the lap hold. For the lap hold, so same thing, you'll need to make sure to lift the baby and provide support in its neck and body and in the bottom. And then afterwards, we will sit in a chair properly. Then we will tuck the baby in our tummy to make sure that they are properly cared. And then provide the support on their neck and at their back. This is the lap hold. And then for the last one, it will be the hip hold. So what we are going to do is again, lift the baby, make sure to provide enough support at the neck and at the back and at the bottom. And for her to make sure that we are going to perform the hip hold properly, we will have to make them sit on our hips, provide enough care to make sure that they could look around and able to see the area. Hip hold, we need to make sure to provide enough support at the back and so that they could see everything. The next step we are going to do is we are going to hold and make the baby birth. So the next thing that we are going to do is we need to make sure to have this birthing cloth. Place this birthing cloth on your left shoulder. And we will need to make sure that this is placed properly. So what we call this a shoulder hold. So again, lift the baby carefully, providing support at the neck, the back, and at the bottom. While standing, we need to make sure that we will make them face slowly at our shoulder and make them sit properly in our arms. Once they are already at this position, we could rub their back and forth slowly, and let them birth. This is how we perform the shoulder hold. The next one that we're going to do is face down on your lap. So again, lift the baby carefully, providing support at the neck, back, and at the bottom. After lifting the baby, we will sit properly and then place our birthing towel or birthing pad in our lap. So once it's already placed, we will have to make the baby sit on our lap properly. So providing support at their chest and chin. Once they are already sit properly, so providing the care in front, we will slowly rub the back or give a gentle tap so that we can help the baby birth. So this is the face down on lap. And the last one that we're going to do is sitting up. So again, prepare your birthing towel. So assist the baby in sitting down. So provide enough care, helping them or assisting them in standing or in sitting up properly. Once they're seated properly, make sure to provide enough support at the neck and at the head when helping the baby birth. So after providing that special care, we need to make sure to again rub their back slowly back and forth or giving it a little tap or gentle tap to help the baby birth. So this is the sitting up.